Project code ITGP03. Project title Disaster Management and Early Warning System. So aim of our project is to develop a system for disaster management. Disaster management. An existing concept. Sensors detect dis- used to detect disaster is not accurate. Is not accurate. Message alert system is not implemented. Is not implemented. So drawbacks of existing system: slow response, system is not sufficient for disaster detection. System is not sufficient. Proposed system: sensors used to detect disaster are accurate. Message alert system is implemented. Is implemented. So advantages of proposed system: fast response, this system is sufficient for disaster detection. So block diagram of our concept. So in a concept we use controller. So controller has sensors. So sensors will detect soil moisture sensor to detect the land soil whether it's dry or wet. If it is dry or if it is wet means then astrometer sensor will check for the landslide. So the meter sensor will detect the landslide and also we check the temperature sensor. Any abnormal condition detected by the sensors will be given to the that signal is given to the controller. Controller will fetch the signal and display in LCD. So display LCD display for output and buzzer for alerting alarm, emergency alarm, and GSM is used to send message about the disaster. So this is the project. So hardware used in a project. First we use Arduino controller. So in a project, Arduino Uno controller is the main purpose to execute the project. So Arduino Uno IC name Atmega 328. Its operating voltage is 5 volt DC. It contains 14 digital pins, 6 analog pins, and 1 serial communication. So serial communication is nothing but UART protocol, Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter. So this is RX and this is TX. So this is Arduino Uno controller. Second one buzzer. Its operating voltage is 5 volt DC. It to alert emergency bus alarm. Next one, GSM. Its operating voltage is 12 volt DC to send message about the disaster. Send message about disaster. Its model is SIM 800L 2G based network. So LCD used to display output. So we use 16 columns and 2 rows LCD, 5 volt DC to display output. So next one, temperature sensor. Temperature sensor to sense surrounding temperature. Next one, soil moisture, that is moisture sensor to check the moisture in the soil, whether dry or wet condition. Next one, accelerometer. Accelerometer detects the landslides. So this is hardware explanation. Software explanation. In our project we use Arduino Uno controller. Arduino controller has its own Arduino IDE software. It is used to develop instructions that to be executed in the controller. Next one, embedded C, programming language used for microcontrollers. Real time example. Disaster management, tracking, health monitoring. So conclusion. From this proposed method, we can avoid the damage from the disaster, and also give even warning early warning system. Thank you.